This morning, we're getting an inside look at an important new learning space at the University of Hawaii West Oahu. It was created by the Office of Indigenous Knowledge and Innovation. That's where Casey Lunn is live today. Good morning to you, Casey.
Aloha. This is a really neat space here in the Academy for Creative Media, the Indigenous Data Hub. This is such a cool program and really relatively new. And it's through a new office, the Office of Indigenous Knowledge and Innovation. I want to talk to Kamuela Enos with us, director of that office. We also have Sharla Hanaoka. She's the director of the Academy for Creative Media. Kamuela, tell us what this space represents and what an Indigenous Data Hub really is.
I think it's a bigger part of the UH system, but it's an attempt, or an intentional space to bridge ancestral and contemporary sciences, where we pair students who are interested in their ancestry and contemporary applications of it with technologies that bridge their traditional and contemporary thinking, and also lift up our partners from community that are doing the work. And we're really lucky to be housed within the Academy of Creative Media as a person from Westside, to have really beautiful facility here and leadership like Sharla in this space has been a real gift to us.
And I want to talk with Sharla again, Sharla Hanaoka, the director of the Academy for Creative Media. This is what this building, this is what this part of this campus is all about.
Yes, it is. So this space is just one space out of many in this Academy for Creative Media building. For the program itself, we're very innovative in terms of our partnerships. So we have partnerships with our math science folk, our anthropologists, and just really bringing this type of knowledge and this type of technology and this type of vision to the West Side. And it's so important because oftentimes, we don't see this opportunity here for these students.
And a lot of these students are of these indigenous cultures, of these indigenous communities. I want to just also give you an opportunity to plug coming up on November 7th. This is going to kind of fit into that innovation exhibit that's happening at the Convention Center.
Yeah, November 8th, Friday, November 8th.
Excuse me.
No problem. Yeah, we have our annual Research Summit, the UH Innovation Conference at the Hawaii Convention Center, November 8th. We'll be highlighting a lot of the work that's going on in this office as a way to show the community this is what we're doing and this is what we hope to do, and with partners like Sharla and UH West Oahu campuses, but all campuses, that we can start to bridge our ancestral and contemporary sciences.
Yeah, okay, so Friday, November 8th, thank you, 8th. We want to make sure that, we've been sharing some of the fellows. This is the first program of its kind, really, here. You can tell that they're excited. It's a passion project for them, and when they get to represent their culture, that's really important.
It's really important for students from our communities to understand the value of their ancestry, not just as something for their identity, but how they can think about a future and economic development and academic attainment, where because you're from a community like the West Side, you're going to be successful. Because of your ancestry, you'll be successful in contemporary, using contemporary technologies, because they did the same thing. That's why our printing presses and Hula Awana are all these examples of how we use technologies to make sense to us.
Very good, and so cool too, so visual. This is such a unique space, and I'm grateful to share this. I want to thank Sharla and Kamuela for being with us this morning here at the Indigenous Data Hub. We'll send things back in the studio for now.
Thanks a lot, Casey.